What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook. First, you're going to open your Outlook application and you can do also the same steps using Outlook on the browser. And now I'm going to enter any inbox. As you can see, now I have this one here for example, and now I want you to remember this message or this email right here, blizzardentertainment.inc. Then I'm gonna click on delete right here, and now it will be moved to deleted items, so I'm gonna click on it, then click on the delete from the deleted items right here, and by this way it will be deleted permanently, as you can see. So I'm gonna click on OK in order to delete it permanently. And now in order to recover these emails, all you have to do is to simply go to the deleted items right here, and now you should click on recover items deleted from this folder, and it will show you here the number of items. So I'm gonna click on it, then it will show you here the items or the emails that you have deleted. And now as you can see, we have this email that we have deleted, and you can simply right click on it, then click on restore, and you can do the same thing to all items. As you can see, then it will be shown right here in the inbox. So I'm gonna go back, and here as you can see, you have this one that we have deleted before. As you can see, Blizzard Entertainment Inc. But keep in mind that it will be working only if you have deleted these emails in 30 days. And this is what is shown right here by Microsoft itself. And that's all for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.